Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion templates. Now, onto the new page, we can find here onto the bottom choices the word templates. Click onto the templates and we can find a different kind of templates here, like for work, life, school. Now, for example, into the school, I wanted to choose here on to the class notes. Click here and choose what kind of class notes you want, like for exams, for graduation. They also have assignment tracker and many more. I'm going to choose here onto this one. Now, if you wanted to use this one, you can find here on the button says add. Click on add and add it to a specific workspace, like onto my workspace, of course. Now it'll automatically be added on to the workspace that I have, and we can see here. Now all you're going to do is to select on here and automatically open the template that we have chosen. We can also modify this. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.